Here's a money hack rich people focus on, but poor people don't. Young people are attracted to being rich by the luxurious lifestyle, but you will never get this if you don't understand this hack. 40% of Americans' paychecks go to taxes. However, if you're a business owner, we get certain advantages. You can get tax off big purchases. If you go on vacation, you can write it off as travel expenses. If you want a new computer or a phone, you can write that off as well. Follow for more tips.
I have $1,000 and I want it to grow. What do I do? The first thing that I would do is open up a brokerage account. In Canada, I like Wealthsimple, and in the US, I like TD Ameritrade. Then I would deposit the $1,000 into the account, and I would use it to buy an ETF. What's that? Think of an ETF like a basket of stocks. Instead of just buying one company, why not buy little pieces of the biggest and the best from all around the world? Okay, so it reduces my risk. Yes. These are some of my favorites.
Five things that most people do with their money that rich people don't. Number one, they put money on impulse purchases. Rich people have a buying list and they stick to it. Number two, most people pay their credit card interest charges. Rich people, they pay off their credit card balance in full. Number three, most people pay extended warranties on small items. If it doesn't break the bank, rich people don't buy warranties. I'll explain why in the comments. Number four, most people gamble. We all know that the house always wins. Rich people, they put their money in guaranteed rewards and they play the long-term game. Most people, they put their money in Netflix, TV, cable. Rich people put their money in books, seminars, courses, classes.
How you can become rich within the next 2 years without doing anything. IAG is the company that owns British Airways, Iberia and a lot of other airlines. Due to the current global situation, their flights are at an all-time low and so are their stock prices. Because no one is travelling, the company is losing money. But what happens now won't last forever. We all know the world will soon get better and people will start going on holiday again. Meaning, if you invest right now and wait till around next summer to sell, your money could have almost doubled. So, invest some spare money, sit back and get rich. Thank me later.
So if you're a beginner in trading the Forex market or the stock market and you have no idea how to analyze a chart, let me give you the simplest strategy. So we call it the ABCD pattern, and it's one of the most basic patterns you can learn in the market. And it goes like this: A, B, clone this, paste it forward, and now you have C, D, A, B, C, D. So all this pattern tells you is that this is an equivalent move to this, so when price gets to here where the pattern ends, we should likely see another downturn like we did here. So now get this, watch what happens when price reaches that final D point. You can see we can't get past it and we do start turning back down. Now go make some money.
You must avoid this trading mistake to get better results. If you buy a stock and you see it breaking down, don't buy more. Don't buy it just because it's cheaper now and you think it's on sale. You never know how low it can go. May dalawang possible na mangyari in this scenario. You panic and you sell at the bottom at such a huge loss and then you feel bad when it goes back up. Or you just hope na it will recover kaya you wait for weeks, months, or years for it to go back up, turning you into an instant investor when that wasn't your plan in the first place.